रेडी है, रेडी है, रेडी है। अरे ये चंपू, चंपू को मैं क्या कर दूं, चंपू क्या कर दूं कि ये लाइक का बटन हिट हो जाएगा। चंपू ये हिट कर रहे बाबा, हिट कर रहे बाबा। चंपू ये लाइक का बटन तोड़ दे रहे बाबा, लाइक का बटन हिट कर करके हथौड़ा मार मार के लाइक का बटन दबाओ रे बाबा। चलो नाउ व्हाट इज द विस्कोसिटी ऑफ लिक्विड? यस बेटा अभिषेक, दैट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द एक्सपेरिमेंट्स ओनली। चलो viscosity of liquid. Now my friends, I'm asking you one question. Now I'm asking you one question. Can you tell me what is the meaning of viscosity of liquid? बेटा फटाफट से बता देंगे। राजशेखर, अंकुश, राबी, पार्थ, अभिषेक, जल्दी से बताओ बेटा। The moment I'm saying viscosity of liquid, what is coming in your mind? देखो अलग अलग डिस्कस करेंगे, अलग अलग डिस्कस करेंगे। पहले लिक्विड के लिए डिस्कस करेंगे विस्कोसिटी, उसके बाद गैस के लिए डिस्कस करेंगे। सो एनीवन इन द क्लास कैन टेल मी द मोमेंट आई एम सेइंग विस्कोसिटी ऑफ लिक्विड, व्हाट इज कमिंग इन योर माइंड? फ्लूइडिटी, ओके। हाँ देखो देखो, बहुत बढ़िया। when the liquid is in motion, when the liquid is in motion, the internal resistance, when the liquid is in motion, the internal resistance offered by one layer of liquid, one layer of liquid to adjacent layer, to adjacent layer is known as viscosity. तो बेटा कुछ चीजें हैं खास जो आपको ध्यान में देखना है। 3 पॉइंट मैंने बोले। when the liquid is in motion, लिक्विड मोशन में है, then the internal resistance offered by one layer of liquid to the adjacent layer is known as viscosity. Yes, very good बेटा। साई श्रीनिवास एक्सीलेंट है रे बाबा। मोहित वेरी गुड। तो देखना बेटा, when the liquid is in motion, the internal resistance offered by one layer of liquid to the adjacent layer of the liquid is known as viscosity. Now let us try to understand why the viscosity is coming into the picture. कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ विस्कोसिटी पिक्चर में क्यों आ रही है, एक बार इसको देखते हैं, आपको मजा आने वाला है। नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू एंजॉय लाइक एनीथिंग, नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू एंजॉय लाइक एनीथिंग। प्लीज ऑब्जर्व why the concept of viscosity is coming into the picture. Look at here, but let us suppose I'm having a fixed plate. This is the beautiful fixed plate. This is the beautiful fixed plate. Okay, this is movable plate. This is movable plate. Yes, ये movable plate है। This is movable plate. बेहतरीन movable plate है रे बाबा। लिख देता हूँ। Let me write. This is the fixed plate, bottom fixed plate. This is the top movable plate. Now look at here. Let me say I'm having some liquid in between these two plates. Let me say I'm having some liquid between these two plates. Oh my god, what a beautiful liquid. क्या ही तो liquid है रे बाबा। What a beautiful liquid. Oh हो। देखो बोर्ड पे ये लिक्विड बनाने का अपना ही मजा है। हाँ है कि नहीं? जब आप लोग भी टीचर बनोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा। मतलब ये जिस प्यार से ये लिक्विड बन रहा है ना, उतने ही प्यार से आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आना है। Now please listen carefully. Let us suppose I applied some force because of which, let me say, the plate is moving with the constant velocity capital V. Now I'm asking you one question. Can I say, मुझे बस yes और no में बताना. Can I say I'm having the flow of liquid between two plates, out of which one plate is fixed, other plate is moving? Can I say I'm having the flow of fluid between two plates, between two parallel plates, where the bottom plate is fixed, one plate is fixed and another plate is moving? क्या मैं ऐसा बोल सकता हूं बेटा? क्या मैं ऐसा बोल सकता हूं? Can I say I'm having the flow of the liquid between two parallel plates, out of which bottom plate is fixed, one plate is fixed, other plate is movable? क्या मैं ऐसा बोल सकता हूं? Can I say something like this? Can I say something like this? Such flow in technical words is known as a Corti flow. ऐसे फ्लो को टेक्निकल वर्ड्स में कॉटी फ्लो बोला जाता है. तो कभी भी आपसे पूछ ले, इनफैक्ट ये गेट में आया हुआ है, व्हाट इज कॉटी फ्लो? सो द कॉटी फ्लो इज द फ्लो ऑफ फ्लूइड बिटवीन टू प्लेट्स, आउट ऑफ विच वन प्लेट इज फिक्स्ड, अदर प्लेट इज मूविंग. कॉटी फ्लो सबको समझ में आ गया बेटा? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कॉटी फ्लो? आई होप ईच एंड एवरीवन इज एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. ये ऑलरेडी गेट में आ चुका है कि कॉटी फ्लो क्या होता है, तो मैंने थोड़ा सा आइडिया आपको दे दिया. कॉटी फ्लो इज द फ्लो ऑफ द फ्लूइड between two parallel plates where one of the plate is fixed, other plate is moving. Right? Now please listen carefully. I'm asking you one question. Anyone in the class can tell me what will be the velocity of this fluid layer which is in touch with the bottom plate? What will be the velocity of this fluid layer which is in touch with the bottom plate? Can I say u will be equal to 0, and because of what? Because of no slip condition. Because of no slip condition. Similarly, if I ask you what is the velocity of this liquid layer which is in touch with the top plate, you will be saying, sir, u is equal to capital B. Again, why? Because of no slip condition. Because of no slip condition. Now please understand, I'm focusing on this. मैं यहां फोकस कर रहा हूं. I'm focusing on this. Can you observe? Let me say this is A, this is B. Can you observe the fluid particle which I am having here will be having velocity 0. The fluid particle which is here in this, the liquid particle which is here in this top layer which is in touch with the moving plate will be having velocity capital V. मैं एक काम करता हूं, let me do one thing. There will be some more fluid particles. तो मुझे एक काम करने दो. Let me take it out for your understanding. Let me take it out for your understanding. आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए मैं क्या कर रहा हूं? What I'm doing is just for your understanding, I'm taking it out. Just for your understanding, I'm taking it out and I will zoom so that you can understand. ध्यान से देखना बेटा, कहानी क्या हुई. Look at here. Look at here. Yes, there was a fluid particle which is in touch with the bottom plate, is in the layer which is in touch with the bottom plate. This is the fluid particle, this is the liquid particle which is in touch with the layer which is in the layer which is having the touch with the top moving plate. So this fluid particle is having 0 velocity, this fluid particle is having velocity capital V. So can I say I will be having the situation, something like this. The velocity of this fluid particle is capital V. Now look at here. As I'm moving upward in y direction, let me say this is y direction. डायरेक्शन यही डिफाइन कर दे रहा हूं बेटा, ध्यान से देख लेना. डायरेक्शन मैं यही डिफाइन कर दे रहा हूं, ध्यान से देख लेना. this is x direction, let me say flow direction I'm taking as x direction, let me say this direction is y direction, and let me say this is z direction. So look at here, x direction, y direction, z direction. So can you observe, as I'm moving in y direction from bottom plate to top plate, the velocity of the fluid will keep on increasing. It will increase from 0 to capital V. So look at here, I will be having something like this. Now I don't know what is the nature of variation, ये मुझे नहीं पता कैसे वेरी कर रही है, बट इस तरीके से वेरी करेगी. इट विल वेरी इन दिस वे दैट एज आई एम मूविंग इन पॉजिटिव वाई डायरेक्शन, जैसे जैसे मैं आई एम मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द टॉप मूविंग प्लेट, द वेलोसिटी विल कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग, and finally the velocity will become equal to capital V. Now some of you will be asking, sir linearly vary कर सकता है? बिल्कुल कर सकता है. I don't know, I told you it can vary linearly also. I don't know, it can vary parabolically, कुछ और वेरिएशन हो सकता है, linearly भी हो सकता है. I'm not denying that. अगर linearly होगा तो कैसा दिखाई देगा? If the variation is linear, then how the things will look like? अगर वेरिएशन linear होगा तो चीजें कैसी दिखाई देंगी, एक बार देख लो. Situation will be like this. This is the fluid particle which is in the layer in touch with the bottom plate. This is the fluid particle which is in the layer in touch with the top plate. Look at here. This fluid particle which is in the layer in touch with the top plate. अरे मूव हो जा रहे बाबा. Will be having velocity capital V. Now look at here, if the velocity is varying linearly, situation will be something like this. Situation will be something like this. Situation will be something like this. देखो जरा ध्यान से. I hope everyone agrees with this. I hope velocity is varying linearly over here. और अभी आपको बता देता हूं बेटा, एक छोटा सा कॉन्सेप्ट अभी बता रहा हूं. If I am having the flow between two parallel plates, out of which one plate is fixed, other plate is moving, that is known as a Corti flow. Or within the fluid, in this Corti flow, within the fluid, if velocity varies linearly, then such Corti flow is known as a simple Corti flow. ऐसे Corti flow को हम लोग बोलते हैं सिंपल Corti flow. मतलब ये Corti flow की एक वैरायटी है where the velocity is varying linearly. और थोड़ा सा आइडिया दे रहा हूं, हिंट दे रहा हूं. In future we will see if the pressure gradient in flow direction is शून्य, then the Corti flow will be simple Corti flow. इसको बस अभी ध्यान में रख लेना. Just for your understanding I'm giving you. In future we are going to derive when dou p by dou x the pressure gradient in flow direction is शून्य, then the Corti flow will become simple Corti flow. We will be having the linear velocity distribution. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? फटाफट से कंफर्म करो बेटा, यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर है? आई होप ईच एंड एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर. आई होप ईच एंड एवरीवन इज क्लियर टिल हियर. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? बेहतरीन तरीके से क्लियर हैं. फटाफट से कंफर्म कर दो बेटा. If you people are clear till here, then we will be moving forward. If you people are clear till here, then we will be moving forward. Clear, 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 clear है रे बाबा. Beautifully clear है रे बाबा. Beautifully clear है रे बाबा. Now, look at here. मैं दो लेयर पर फोकस करता हूं. Let me say I'm focusing on this layer whose fluid particle is at y distance from the bottom plate. मैं अब थोड़ा सा फोकस करता हूं दो फ्लूइड लेयर पे. दिस इज वन ऑफ द फ्लूइड लेयर विच इज इन टच, मीन्स विच इज हैविंग सम डिस्टेंस. देखो मैं दो फ्लूइड लेयर पे फोकस कर रहा हूं, पहले आपको दिखा देता हूं. आई एम फोकसिंग ऑन दीज टू फ्लूइड लेयर्स. The fluid layer which is at distance y from the bottom plate and the fluid layer which is at a distance y plus dy from the bottom plate. ये दो fluid layer पे focus कर रहे हैं. So let me say the fluid layer which is at a distance y, this fluid particle which is in the fluid layer at distance y is moving with the velocity u. This fluid layer which is at distance y plus dy from the bottom plate, this fluid particle is moving with the velocity u plus du. Now please try to understand why the viscosity is coming into the picture. Look at here, I'm talking about this fluid layer, this fluid particle, this fluid layer which is at a distance y. Now this fluid layer is watching, ये fluid layer है which is moving with the velocity u. Just above it, I'm having another fluid layer which is moving with the velocity u plus du. This fluid layer which is at distance y is moving with the velocity u. This fluid layer which is at the distance y plus dy is moving with the velocity u plus du. Now the fluid layer which is having velocity u is observing the fluid layer above it. अरे बाबा, why are you moving so fast? इतना फास्ट क्यों मूव कर रहे हो रे बाबा? Move little slow, we will go together. My velocity is u, your velocity is u plus du. मैं तो तेरे को रजिस्ट करूंगी. Why are you moving so fast? पीछे हो, धीरे चल, go slow. So what will happen? Are you able to understand? This fluid layer will be offering the resistance to the adjacent fluid layer in this direction, and this is your viscosity. When the fluid is in motion, the internal resistance offered by one fluid layer to the adjacent fluid layer is known as viscosity. Now why this viscosity is coming into the picture? ये viscosity picture में आई क्यों? Because this fluid layer which is at distance y is having velocity u. This fluid layer which is at distance y plus dy is having velocity u plus du. There is some relative motion. अरे velocity different है ना. There is some relative motion. कुछ relative motion है और इसी relative motion की वजह से resistance आ रहा है. So my friends, viscosity is coming into the picture because of relative motion. अगर relative motion नहीं होता, if there is no relative motion, then there will be no viscosity, there will be no internal resistance. Now please listen carefully. Next point, why this bottom fluid layer is offering the resistance? Because they are having some bonding. अरे दोनों के बीच में बॉन्डिंग है ना रे बाबा. Why I am scolding this चंपू? Because we are having some bonding, we are having cohesion. तो क्या हो रहा है? What is happening? This fluid layer and this fluid layer, they are having force of attraction which is known as cohesion. इन दोनों fluid particles के बीच में cohesion है, जिसके कारण वो resistance कर रहे हैं to the relative motion. cohesion. तो याद रखना बेटा, याद रखना, as far as viscosity for liquid is concerned, it comes into the picture because of two things, because of relative motion and because of cohesion. Because of cohesion. Are you clear till here? यहां तक सबको समझ में आ गया?
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.